Let's look at electrician salary in Japan. The average salary of an electrician in Japan is 36,200 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you bring home $24,100. This leaves you with roughly $2,800 every month as your net take-home pay. While those electrician wages cover basic living, pay goes up if you move to larger cities like Tokyo, where the same role earns $27,700 after tax. On top of that, cost of living in big cities is noticeably higher, so that extra money often gets spent on rent anyway. When asking how much does an electrician make in Japan, your experience level also matters, because entry-level workers earn well below the national average. You will see pay grow quickly during your first few years, but it usually plateaus unless you gain extra qualifications. Having a university degree helps you step into higher-paying positions, which is why educated workers often advance into roles like electrical project manager or site supervisor. Finally, small local firms pay the least, whereas large multinational companies offer substantially higher average electrician pay. So while your location sets the baseline, it is your employer's scale and job title that truly boost your electrician income.